Um, is this thing on? Yeah, hold on. Yeah, it's on. Hey guys. Oh god. Hey guys, and welcome to a game called BitLife. Um, sorry, sorry guys. I was drinking my water and I choked on it, even though it uncommonly happens to me. But I'm gonna drink some more water. Okay, I don't know. It's epic. Okay. Troubleshooting. One of our customers that calls in with a technical issue, and you're pretty sure you know what the problem is. Okay. I know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna repair her, but there's no point since she's screwed, so I'm gonna sell it. Yeah, sure. I must eat my food. It's a snack, cause yeah. Okay. I just want you guys to know this is not ASMR. Cause if it was, oh then it would have been. But it's not. No, I don't know. I don't know. Alright. If you do not repair the thing, then you will sleep outside the house. More so, it would hurt. His wife did. I must throw a party. Oh, thank God. Cause there is a God. Alright, fine, screw you. Okay, okay. Alright, I'm gonna just age and age. Adult diapers, no, okay. Alright, let's go. Alright. Alright. Epic. Yes. Check, please. Oh no, shit, repair. Nah. Repair? Nah. Sell it. Yeah. Ooh. Condition. Sell it. Yeah. want to trade it and then sell it to, yeah. Ah, shit. Alright, fine, Wow, it's one of a kind. Ah, yes. Lucky, lovely gal. And who farted? Flying cloud. Billingham Flim. Billingham Flim. I'm gonna go all the way. 100. Oh, Billingham Flim. No. Excuse me, please. I'm gonna have to do something real quick. I'll be right back. I am so sorry for that delay. It was so slow. Usually I do like or faster, but if you guys are hearing music, it was not me. Totally not me. Um. Oh yes, but no. No. Look, I can make weird sounds. No, I can't make weird. Oh no, I'm still practicing on that shark puppet thing. Ah, thank God. Cause alright. Ah, yes. Yeah. I'm gonna eat my food. Cause I have to. And I feel like it. Ah, crap. I almost spilled my diet water. My diet water. I want to spend time with them all. Yes, I'm doing great. Okay. Sorry, I'm an asshole. This guy's an asshole. Look, he's male, 70, gay, single, retired, United States. And he's an asshole. A lazy bum. He's a frickin' frick. Psych you, Marshall Elliott. You aren't even Marshall Elliott. I know someone who's not Marshall Elliott. And that's everyone except for the people that are called Marshall Elliott. Because it's their name unless you changed it into Marshall Elliott. I don't know. Unless they have different words, letters on their names. I must kill. Oh no, my best friend died. How dare they?
Ow!
How dare you? I'm going to kick. Elbow your stomach. You're the one. Okay. Nice. I'm in prison. Woo! Shit. Nah. I must attempt to escape. Damn idiots. Haha. For you. I am the smartest of the smarts. I am smart man. 'Cause I am. That was not as loud. That was not as loud as I anticipated it to be. I'm sorry. Sure. If I was poisoned, I'm gonna kill you. Wow, I'm dead. It's possible. Just gotta do it before you die. And then when you die, and you got something that you poisoned them before you died, and like just minutes ago or something, or hours, and you die, yeah. Yeah, nice. I must. Yeah, still are walking. I'm gonna get the one in the voice in my head. Like, hey man, you gotta read a book. But I ignored it. Yeah, hey, you gotta go to the garden. But I ignored it. Hey man, you gotta go to diet, you fat. But I ignored it. That's probably what he says. Ah, man, I'm an idiot. Okay. There's one short. Yeah. The frick. And I'm fricked. No. Yes, I am cleared. You damn psycho. Get in it. I must start an argument. Really? Wow.
Ow!
I'm going to kill you. What does your eagle strike look like? On me? Fuck. No. 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 Damn warriors, I paid them a lot and... I got an nade rusher. Yeah, 'cause I'm on the run, so... Shit. Oh no. Frick! Bitch. I give up. Goodbye, mates. I shall start a riot. Yes, I shall start a riot. Yoink. Yeet.
Ow!
Okay, I'm done. I'm done, guys. Goodbye.